here sa Villa Escudero and we're celebrating her birthday today up until tomorrow. Overnight yun. So,
masarap.
yeah, we have gulaman as a welcome drink.
Mami, say hi to the vlog.
Ay, pusa!
Helicopter.
Okay.
Hinihintay na kami ng helicopter yan, no? Pauwi. Pauwihan pala ako. Sarap lang talaga pag nagbibiyahe-biyahe ka na libre. Ayan, no? Oo nga, sarap ng libre. To you.
Susuntukin niya. Ayan, cute.
Yan, baka may biglang sumulpot ng leon dyan, ha?
Lawak pala nito. Kala mo sa paradise. Hello! Hello, Escudero! Villa Escudero! We are here! We are here now! To celebrate the birthday of my Moy.
Same to.
Yung open namin, yung after school po. Kasi ando na yung po yung ito lang ang open. Opo, yun pa lang po. Ang adyakosi naman po yun.
We are here!
I don't hesitate. I make a lot of cake. Look easy, babe.
Silipin niyo po muna.
Ay, ang ganda!
Ginagamit ko mag-vlog. So we are now going to the falls para mag-lunch. So let's check it out, guys. Let's check it out. Ayun na!
We cannot sa my face.
Ha?
Nabayad naman din. Naimro makwa. Ano yun?
We just finished off our lunch. Tapos
So hot.
magche-check-in na kami.
And then after
Tapos,
that, we are going to watch a cultural show, di ba?
Oo, 2 p.m. Scheduled 2 p.m. to 3:15.
We'll
So,
show that later.
check-in muna kami.
So we are here in our pavilion. Pavilion ba tawag dito? Like establishment. And look at that. Gosh. Authentic. It's giving authentic Filipino. Ano yung sabihin nun? But yeah.
We'll just be checking in.
And I will show you the room later. And look at this chair. It's effing big. So cute. Magandang tanghali po. This is Vogue.
Hi Vogue, and this is 45 questions about me. Charas. Anyway, room tour. We have our patio. tatatagyo. Yan, pwede mo magsabi ng anything. See? And this. And I wanna show you my view.
Okay, so this is the bedroom. And hindi kami makapagsalita, sorry, kasi as you can see, may tao dyan. And that is our tita. And as introverted girlies, we cannot speak kasi nga may hiya ng mga bakla. And dito naman, pinapakita lang niya yung mga freebies. Para lang may masabi.
Move on, please.
Ay!
CR 2 1 inodoro. And then Vanera. And anyway, yung ang ganda ng shower, black. Okay. Ay, be. Dab, ang end. Us. Gosh, napaka-haggard. Okay, dalian natin. Ay.
Excited ka naman.
And this is the second floor. We have 3 single beds. Then you also have a view.
Garden view. Charot.
Yeah.
And then,
high ceiling.
bed. May aircon, of course. Dahil mainit. Yeah! We'll get back to you para sa cultural show.
That's the end of the video.
My birthday.
Video? Ay, video pa din?
Hi! We just finished watching a cultural show. And look at the view, guys. Wow! Mag-ano ka lang dyan? Mag-paddle ka lang.
Oh, ha? I'm doing all the work.
Ayan!
Oh, ang galing ko talaga. Diyos ko. Ako lang nag-aano nitong bangka. Ayun. Dapat siguro magmangingisda na lang ako. No?
Passenger princess.
Okay, yan na muna.
Happy birthday! We are now walking to have breakfast. Let's go. Video natin dito.
Yan.
Grabe doon, no? Telo, no? Sa Puerto.
Katulad yan sa Laguna. Sa Laguna, di ba? Dati hindi naman yung binabaha. Yung makiling pala, may pinalido na doon.
Hello.
Layo mo
Tapos lang
konti.
namin ng breakfast. Hi. And ata kami mag-swimming or mag-Carabao cart. Hindi ko pa sure. But yeah.
Matayog ang ipagdasal ang bola ni Pepe. Matayog ang pangarap ng matandang dihin. Lihim ng hangin na wala sa paningin. Sigaw ng kahapon, sila mo na ng ato.
Picture ang baby.
Currently currently inside the museum in Villa Escudero, and wow! Wow, guys. Back home! Yeah, so tapos na ang birthday celebration and nakauwi na tayo from... Dito tayo kasi magulo. Nakabalik na kami from Villa Escudero. We enjoyed everything. Maganda siya. Everything about the stay is really worth it. From welcome drinks. Sarap ng gulaman, guys. Tour. Lunch sa waterfalls. May cultural show. I enjoyed that. Yung mismong accommodation namin, guys. Super ganda. Super ganda. Like, mararamdaman mo yung Filipino culture na ini-embody ni Villa Escudero. Malinis. Tsaka ano siya, grabe ka cozy ng vibe. And ano, kasi syempre, di ba, kawayan. So, parang close to nature ang atake. Yes, perfect for nature lovers. Gusto nyo talaga yung peaceful province feels. Ganun siya, napakaganda. Tapos, pag nag-overnight kayo, you'll have lunch, dinner, and then breakfast. 3 meals agad. Sakop ng ng stay. At mababait yung staff. Of course. And over 10. Filipino. Ano nga? Filipino hospitality. Yung pool, may jacuzzi. Maraming magagandang picture spots. Kahit sa stay mo lang, sa accommodation nyo, pwede ka picture doon. Ang ganda. True. Tsaka maraming mga puno, so hindi siya mainit. Yes. Ano siya, very environmentalist, very natural. Ang flow ng air. Hopefully, we'll be back. And ayun lang naman. So, that's it for my birthday celebration. Thank you super for my family.
Oh, my family. Oh my God.
For giving me this wonderful gift. Thank you kay ate sa pag-reserve ng everything. So, that's it. Bye! See you on the next vlog! Bye!